Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. This is the house that I've done quite a few videos on with the really hard sand and cement pointing in. I've removed all that, put lime back in. It's beautiful, beautiful property. Look at that. Just finishing touches, putting some golden gravel down with the highest paid apprentice in Britain. It's going to cost me a fortune. Taking this modern air brick out and putting an older metal air brick in, keeping the features of the old property. Quite a few of these bricks are windswept, so there was too many to take out, and a lot of it was single skinned. Look at her, she's got a sweat on. This is the other side of the property. All the bricks will go patchy, it'll change colour as it's drying out because these walls were soaking wet. It's a problem you get with when quite a lot of it's single skinned. So it'll go all patchy and that. The lime's doing its job. Hopefully that lime should be there for the next 100 years. All the chimneys and eaves were done as well. This is the area where I did my little pointing videos on. Just here and under there. Just got a little bit of tidying up to do around here. But it'll look a lot nicer when the windows are all done. But it is a beautiful property. And hopefully that'll give a lot more life in it and help dry the walls out. Thank you.